Hello students, today we are going to see Cloud Computing Practical 5 Installation and Configuration of Virtualization using KVM. Now this practical demonstrates installation and configuration of virtualization using KVM means we are going to work with kernel based virtual machines. Okay, that is here it needs Linux based distribution system. Okay, so for these practicals we need the software tools required are a virtual machine monitor, that is your VMware workstation, and for Linux operating system we need Ubuntu desktop. Okay, so this is our VMware workstation pro application manager. Okay, this is your virtual machine monitor. Okay, so we have to create a new virtual machine. You will get typical, so click on next. Then this is your disk file. So to get your virtual machine monitor and operating system Ubuntu desktop disk file, I will show you the link. So this is the link to download VMware workstation pro. Okay, scroll down, you will get the download link here. You can click it and download it. And for Ubuntu desktop disk ISO file, this is the link. You have to click on this download link. It is about 5.8 GB. Okay, after completing that, store it in your particular folder. So this ISO file I have already set. Okay, and I will show you for browse and desktop cloud computing file required setup Ubuntu. You have to select this and open this. Okay, you have given the disk image file, so click on next. After that you have to give full name, so I will give practical 5. I will give it as example and password as Linux OS, and confirm password also Linux OS. Okay, click on next. Now you have to give a name for that virtual machine, so I will give it as KVM. After that click next. Okay, I have already done in KVM, so I will give it as KVM practical. Let's see. Okay, now we have to give maximum disk size is 16 and the option must be in split virtual disk. Okay, click on next. Now after that click on finish. For this practical you need a strong storage efficiency from your laptop. Okay, minimum RAM must be 8 GB or 16 GB RAM, or storage must be enough storage like 700 GB or 1 TB. So I have started a new virtual machine inside my virtual machine monitor of Linux. Till then I will show you the document. Okay, see, this is our documentation guide for cloud computing practical 5. Our software tools requirement are a virtual machine monitor, that is VMware workstation. You can say it as pro also, and we need to work with Linux operating system. So we have downloaded the Ubuntu desktop ISO file from a particular website to work with Linux. Okay, so required downloads links I have given. Okay, now we have to open VMware workstation. We have done that. Then click on create new virtual machine it must be in typical recommended. Next, then place your ISO file from your desktop. Okay, browse it and select that, open. Then click on next, then provide any name. Okay, you, you can give this name. uh, Here I have completed. Here it is ready, our Linux operating system. So let's continue further. This is selected in English. Click on next, then next, then next, then next, skip, next, next, next. Select this both the option. Okay, then next. Then click on next. Now give a name here. Okay, what we will give it as. And for password, what we can give is Linux 90. Okay, just a random number, Linux 90. Click on next, next, install. Okay, this will take 10 to 20 minutes of time to complete the Linux operating system setup. Okay, okay, now our installation is complete. Now we have to restart this. Okay, click on restart. Okay, click on this, login. Our password was Linux 90. Okay, click on next, 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 finish. Okay, now we have to start writing the commands. Okay, right click, open in terminal. Now just maximize. Okay, keep your cursor here. Type sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Yes. Okay, y hyphen y. Yes, sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Now password is same, Linux 90. Okay, update and upgrade is completed. Okay, we have to go to the next command, that is sudo grep -c in double quotes, just restart later. Okay, we have just automatically restarted. Just type the password Linux 90. Okay, continue with the command sudo grep -c svm / then straight line vmx then space / proc. Password is Linux 90. Okay, it will show 0, but it should show 1 or 2 if in settings processor we have to check this virtualize Intel VT, but in most of the cases it doesn't work. For now it is not that much important. If it works in your system, then okay. If not, still okay, we can continue ahead. KVM -OK, then type sudo apt install CPU checker. Yes. Okay. Then again type KVM. It's okay if it is not showing. And type this command sudo apt install KVM QEMU KVM what Okay, after installing this, type sudo apt system cti space enable sudo KVM PC name. Okay, my PC name is Kishore. Then left what your PC name. Okay, so that's it till here. We have completed all the commands. You can check the status and all. So system C status. It's okay till here. Fine. Now close this terminal. This is your show apps. Click on this, and in your type to search, type VMM. Okay, click this. You will get KVM. Okay, or otherwise you have to restart all again. Click on show all apps. VMM. Okay, now quick emulator KVM is connected. Okay, so it is showing it is connected, auto connect. Now you have to click on this create a new virtual machine. Just click forward, then browse it from your local device. Okay, it does not matter. Just click forward, type here Ubuntu, uncheck this and type here Ubuntu. Okay, click forward, then here give the size up to 1024. Give a minimum size of 7.0. Forward, finish. Okay, and this is the demonstration of creating a nested virtualization. Means in our existing physical hardware, that is our laptop, that acts as a host operating system. Inside that we have to create a new virtual machine. So to create a new virtual machine we need a virtual machine manager. So with the help of that virtual machine manager, that is our VMware Workstation Pro, we can create a new virtual machines. Now that virtual machine is acting as a guest operating system. Now here the demonstration for KVM was to create another virtual machine using the commands. Okay, just allow this. So now you can see inside our virtual machine we have created another virtual machine. So it is working fine. Okay, so this was our practical. Thank you. And all the Google Drive link I have mentioned in my comments, go check it. It may not show Ubuntu desktop ISO file, so yeah, you have to download that. Okay, it is not supporting in my drive, so please do that from your link. Okay, thank you.